ever gone back to your toxic ex and wondered, why am I doing this? Or felt that if someone else is moving ahead and getting promoted, you are being left behind? Don't worry, you're not alone. Let's geek out together on a topic I love, which is heuristics. So essentially, our brain has so much information that it needs to process all the time. So it uses these shortcuts, right, called heuristics to make decisions. Now, for example, you are in a bad relationship. You know nothing is going to happen. You know this is a bad relationship, but you just keep putting in effort. Now, this is called the sunken cost fallacy. The reason is that you have already put in so much effort and time in the past that you feel like, okay, maybe things will improve. I just need to try and turn things around. So this is the phenomena of sunken cost fallacy. Another interesting cognitive bias is the overconfidence bias, and this story portrays it perfectly. So in 1995, MacArthur, he went to a bank, he held them at gunpoint and robbed the bank. Now surprisingly, he had no ski mask, nothing. And so obviously in the camera, he was caught very, very quickly. And so the police captured him and they were like, listen, what were you thinking? And he's like, oh, but I had the juice. So they were like, what juice are you talking about? And he had read that because when you write with lemon juice on paper, it becomes transparent. So if he puts it on his face, he would become invisible. This was the extent of his overconfidence bias. Now, this book covers a lot of cognitive biases. The interesting thing is that it is in the context of 2025. So say cultural phenomena like Taylor Swift or a lot of woke references that you and I will know. So it was a very interesting read, especially if you like reading about this kind of content. Yeah, it's a good one.